Question number 89 is the perimeter of the shape, and the options are A is 12 centimeter, B is 18 centimeter, C is 8 centimeter, and the option D is 20 centimeter. Now to find the perimeter, we will add all the sides of the figure. So 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6, which is equal to 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter is the correct option. Question number 88 is the perimeter of the shape. Options are A is 26 centimeter, B is 20 centimeter, option C is 22 centimeter, and option D is 24 kilometer. Question number 90 is the amount of space that a shape covers is called its, and options are area, B is volume, C is perimeter, and D is mass. We have already discussed the definitions of volume, perimeter, and mass in the previous questions, so the correct option is area. Question number 91 is a fraction having numerator is greater than the denominator is called dash, and the options are A is proper fraction, B is mixed fraction, C is improper fraction, and the option D is decimal fraction. First we will find out that what these fractions are. First we will know about a proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction whose denominator is greater than its numerator. And an improper fraction is a fraction whose denominator is less than its numerator. And now we will know about a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is defined as a fraction formed by combining a whole number and a fraction. Now decimal fraction, a fraction whose denominator is 10 or a multiple of 10. So the correct option is improper fraction. Question number 92 is a fraction having denominator is greater than the numerator is called dash, and the options are A is proper fraction, B is mixed fraction, C is improper fraction, and the option D is decimal fraction. Students, first I will tell you about the proper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction where denominator is greater than its numerator, and an improper fraction is a fraction whose denominator is less than its numerator. And what is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is defined as a fraction which is formed by combining a whole numbers and a fraction. And what is decimal fraction? A fraction where denominator is 10 or a multiple of 10. So the correct option is a proper fraction. Question number 93 is a fraction consisting of a whole number and a mixed fraction together is called, and the options are A is proper fraction, B is mixed fraction, C is improper fraction, D is decimal fraction. About fractions we have discussed in the previous question, so the option B is correct, which is mixed fraction. Number 94 is 3 by 5 is a type of, option A is proper fraction, option B is mixed fraction, option C is improper fraction, or option D is decimal fraction. And the correct option is proper fraction. It's a type of proper fraction. Question number 95 is to show number 5 for tally. Option number A, B, C, and D. Now to show the number 5 in tally, the first 4 lines are drawn vertically and the fifth line runs diagonally over the previous 4 lines. So the correct option is option D.